Yun. Naiya talaga ako. Dapat si Groom yung ginaganito nyo eh.
Natural na kasi yan eh. Natural na yan. Diyan, diyan.
Hold me, kiss me, whisper.
Vow na hindi ako magsasawa sa kwan, sa pag-aamoy ng utot mo.
Oh. Ay, ganun.
Hindi.
Or mas baba ko utot mo sa akin. Parang both kami. Hindi siya vocal, pero kita mo siya sa actions. More on actions.
Feeling ready.
Sinulat ko naman ito para sa'yo. Kaya sign mo na lang.
Whisper,
Ay, wow! Bali, ikaw mo ko.
forever.
When we first met, I never would have guessed that the quiet man I thought was distant would become my entire world. Today, I realized you weren't distant. You were the peace I didn't know I needed.
Future bring to you and me one day. Hold on to this day and keep
No
in
matter the circumstances, happy moments and hopefully not many sad moments. Which is, I think, the point of being together.
And our Father spoken in this life we've chosen.
Wala, iba eh. Basta nung humingi kasi ako ng signs kay Lord, yung lalaking makakasama ko sa time na to, alam kong siya na. After 2 years or so, or 3 years, nangyari yun, na siya yung kasama ko. Kaya alam kong siya na.
Understand it, but I see me holding your hand.
Iyak na naman ako.
Ngayon na? Ngayon na?
Heaven made
Rolling.
your hand to complement my hand, like heaven made my heart to complement your heart. Heaven gave you love to complement my love. So one day we will love the way that God intended for us.
I make this vow to always be with you through all the highs and lows.
Entwined with yours,
Yun yung vow ko.
Jesus, lead the way.
Thank you for the way you love me. Not in just the big moments, but in the way you care for me and our fur babies. The way you provide for our home and quietly carry the heavy things so I don't have to.
Father spoken in this life we've chosen will help us follow your plan.
Simple ako lang. Para ma-feel mo na kasama mo pa rin siya. Na magbuwak sa one of the biggest things of yun lang.
Thank you.
Here we are, we found the day like we'd always pray. Napapaisip sa gitna ng kaguluhan, litong-lito sa pulso ng nararamdaman.
Ay, mag-iyakan na lang tayo dito. Ay, naku. Mag-iyakan na tayo dito na ano.
Puso ko'y naglalaro sa kalawakan. Sa liwanag ng araw, ika'y nariyan. Bakit tabit sinisilayan ka?
Me, now that we're here today to start a new chapter of our lives together, and I'm sure it will be the best chapter.
After.
Langit, ika'y kapiling ko. Sa pag-ihip ng hangin, kasabay ng awi.
You gave and continue to give color to my life. Gosh! Wala kang ganun, no? You complete me.
Liga po?
Ko, kulay kahel ng langit.
Agaso! Nagmayamayat po tuniting sa sapatos na. Agaso! Agugas ako ah.
I know I can be a storm of short tempers and quick fire, yet you meet my chaos with a patience that humbles me. Thank you for seeing me, for staying through the hard talks, and for loving me even when I'm still learning to love myself.
Actually, makita yung tumati effort dito ko sakit personal nga nagbalbak kami talaga dito. Okay, tapos so Dexter amok ti kulay gamin isong ako ah. Dagita da blue, amok dai ti pink kat ba. Oh, Gio, kan Dexter.
Cute naman!
Kasama kita sa kinindo.
We will conquer life together and achieve all our goals together. I don't see myself growing old, going bald, and getting wrinkles without you.
Palad mo, sana'y dinggin ng dalangin ang aking hangaring, mahalin mo rin ako. Kulay kahel na langit, nakitang gumuhit sa ganda ng mata. Nagtatanong ang aking isipan, nais mo rin ba akong mahagan? Hanggang dito na lang ba ang ating pagkakaibigan? Kininto ang
I feel so deeply blessed that out of everyone, God chose you for me. You are my answered prayer and my greatest blessing. I choose you today, I will choose you tomorrow, and I will keep choosing you every single morning for the rest of our lives. You are finally and forever mine. Love you always.
langit, hindi mapipilit, mabigyan ng pag-ibig.